have beach stuff for the pool, bubbles, everything, water staff. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Everything you can need for the summer for the little kitties in the pool. Then they got a little baby pool in case you have a little tiny one that can't get in the big pool. They have H2O blasters for $1. They have bubbles. They have swimming rings, beach balls, $3. Beach towels. Wow. Swim aid, $12. Wow, all the pools and stuff. And they got these other kind of pools you can have. Those are nice. Yeah, splash and play, one pool set. Yeah, they're $45. Some of them are $15, some of them are $30. So these are really nice. Thanks, you guys, for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Helen Marie Heath. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more new videos daily.